Here's how to make or create a GIF on iPhone using photos and videos. So in this video, I will show two ways to make or create GIF. So the first method is open your camera and make sure to enable the live option here. Then take a photo. Now open your Photos app. Open the photo. Tap on live at the top left. And to make the photo GIF, select loop or bounce and your photo will be converted to GIF. Now you can share this GIF to anyone. And the second way to make or create a GIF is using shortcut. So first of all, we need to download a shortcut. So open your browser and type here convert burst to GIF shortcut. Open this second link, tap on add to shortcut, add shortcut. Once the shortcut added, open the shortcut. Now select your desired photo you want to convert to GIF, and you will see your photo or video has been converted to GIF. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.